Look at the news on this Friday. Brianne Foley has the forecast. Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. It's going to be a little bit chillier today than what we've seen over the past couple days. We're looking at much average type temperatures for this time of year. We're going to mainly see a mix of sun and cloud throughout New Brunswick for today, with winds gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. Over on Prince Edward Island, we can expect to see some rain as well as in central and eastern parts of Nova Scotia. The majority of that rainfall, of course, over on Cape Breton. We're looking at highs of 12 in Fredericton, 9 in Charlottetown, and 11 in Halifax. A wet, foggy start to the day, and that's pretty much going to be the theme. It does look like there's a little bit of fire burning there, but those are from the lights, of course. If we take a look here at our satellite and radar this morning, yep. There's the rain. We were anticipating it coming through, of course, and it's going to be lingering throughout the course of the day, so much so that we do still have a rainfall warning in effect for parts of Cape Breton, eastern parts of Nova Scotia, as well as, of course, into Newfoundland. There's also a wind warning into Newfoundland as well. So winds gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour, especially along the coast. That is going to be from about noon until midnight. So those are the winds that we will be contending with throughout the course of today. As we take a look here at current temperatures, we're seeing much more average type temperatures for this time of year. Much colder up in the northern parts of New Brunswick today, as well as up in Labrador. So we are continuing to see the trend of those fall temperatures coming through. As we take a look here at what our visibility looks like, we do have a little bit of fog to contend with throughout the course of this morning. We saw that significant fog yesterday, so we are going to continue to see that throughout the course of this morning, although that should dissipate by the early afternoon. Watching our forecasted timeline, we are going to be seeing those showers hanging around in Prince Edward Island, eastern and central parts of Nova Scotia, Cape Breton, as well as into Labrador. Those are going to hang around until Friday night. We're going to see them into the early hours of Saturday morning in Nova Scotia, as well as Cape Breton. Then they start to clear out. We will see a little bit of snow coming through in Labrador. Yes, I said snow, but that is going to pretty much melt right away because it's not cold enough right now. As we take a look here, the majority of that rainfall once again in Newfoundland and as well as Cape Breton, and we are seeing those gusting winds really start to pick up as we head throughout the day. So that is something we are going to contend with. We're looking at average type temperatures across the board for the maritime provinces. A little bit cooler over in Cape Breton, a little bit warmer in parts of western Nova Scotia, and then as we head up into Labrador, we're seeing pretty average type temperatures and slightly warmer, but that rainfall over in Newfoundland.